Okay, okay, I'm testing this out. Alright, I'm testing this out. I've never done this with a Screencast-O-Matic from a computer screen, doing both the screen and the webcam. I was continuing doing my thing, but I wanted to show these guys from Denali Market, but Alex isn't there. But I love these guys. These guys are awesome. Here we are. All right. These guys are great. And I'm trying to watch it to learn some Pokemon stuff too. But I've been watching these guys for a while. I mean, they do sports. They do Pokemon. They do non-sports, but great stuff. Great stuff. These guys are awesome. They really are. He's by himself though. Usually has his partner Alex with him. I'm gonna have to let him know that. I filmed him on the screencast. And I don't want to do this too long. I just want to show him. If you guys don't know what it is, here. I thought he gave away. Darlene got the flying Pikachu. She wanted it. Here, right here. Denali Market. It's a channel on, here it is, denalimarket.com/collectibles. I'm sorry, collection slash, and it just keeps going, but you click the link, Denali Market. Or I could show you, there, the URL. But yeah, if you're into Pokemon, I pretty much recommend them. And they're funny too. I mean, they're great, they're knowledgeable, they're funny. I mean, they're really good. Oh, he's opening. Not Pikachu. He's he said he was getting hammered today. All his packs were crappy, so these guys keep asking him to. He's so funny. They keep. I'm sorry, we're both talking, but he's like, my cards are crappy, and you guys are conniving me into opening more stuff. All my money's going down the drain opening this stuff. Pretty funny. Dog doo doo. All right, I'm gonna get this off. I don't want to keep showing, but these guys are great. I love them. Denali Market, Denali Market, Denali, Denali National Park, Denali Mountain, yeah. Denali. All right, all right, there we go. I just muted them. I mean, I paused them. But okay, I wanted to continue my thing. Where the heck? Uh, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I have to. Oh, maybe you have to do that. There we go. Okay. I was gonna say that's pretty cool. I never knew you could do that. That's the first time I've ever been doing. I've been experimenting, but I forgot you could go small, you could go large, you could go. You could shut yourself off and just play what they're doing. But I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Continuation from before. This is another thing of top loaders I got. I think it was at a card show. I bought them off Bob. Penny sleeves, $1 a pack. Some idiots were selling these for like $3.50 a pack. I said, I guess you're going to be using them. He's like, what do you mean? I'm like, well, you'll be using them soon. He's like, what are you talking about? I go, well, you're never going to sell them for $3.50 unless some moron that's not into cards comes and buys them off because $3.50 a pack. What a joke. All right. Now, this is awesome. I got this. I think Bob was just getting rid of stuff. I don't think, I think I got it for $5. He might have sold it to me for $10. Either way, whatever he says, I just, hey, good. I don't think I ever haggled with Bob, ever. He's just so good with his prices. But I got to get that Prism basketball off of him. I paid for it, and I forgot it. I just left it there. And I'm like, oh, my God. I called him like 2 days later. I'm like, I forgot to take my basketball pack, my Prism box. Absent-minded. What could you do? All right, that's more. Oh, and then I got this up at Taylor. Unreal. 10, 180 points, 10 normal, and then 10, I don't know why, but 10 penny sleeves. So you get 30 of them, like $6, $7. And the only reason why I got it is because like everyone's like crying that you can't find them, and I've got them stashed. I got thousands of them. As a matter of fact, the guys running the shows and the dealers are all like, I'll buy them. I'm like, I might just use them now that I'm getting back into it. And I think I got these at the Tunkhannock Walmart. I got them somewhere else once before, but I'm pretty sure I got these ones at the Tunkhannock Walmart, and it was funny. I opened them. I said, I'm going to open them. Very first pack I opened. Luzon. Here it is, very first pack, very first silver card. Leody Taveras autograph. I couldn't believe it. I didn't even know who the guy was, but it was ridiculous. Auto. Bang. First card, I was like, are you kidding me? I said, like, how many autos do you get? Like, they're like, you get like one per box. And I'm like, nah, it's got to be more than that. I'm like, you tell me the very first pack that I ever opened had an auto in it? Wow, 1 in 116 packs. That's what it says on there. I don't know. Who cares? Until that guy does anything, it don't matter anyways. I don't even know who he is. Alright. Right now, I'll be creating video after video after video. I got so much stuff I gotta clear out of here. It's ridiculous. I don't know. I'll just yawn, and this hand I'll grab this, and this hand I'll grab this one. It's unreal. So I got a Bowman Chrome, or I'm sorry, Optic football in this hand, and I got a Chrome, I don't know if it's, I think it's 2020 Mega Box in this hand. Yeah, 2020 trading cards. Trying to keep this stuff in a certain place in a certain way. What the heck it's doing? Alright. Score Premium Football. 52 cards per pack. They're jumbo packs. 12 jumbo packs per box. Pretty sweet. I didn't even know I had this. I didn't even know I bought this. They were clearing stuff out. I just started grabbing stuff. Prism football from 2016. Optic baseball from